in Nedbank House Building. Physical address or business address 30 Albert Street in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal in the Republic of South Africa. This is Ubaba Udokotela Sibawujabulile. Loving to have followers as you, but into abangakayenze is to subscribe. Very few people are subscribing. Almost 80% abantu ababuka la channel ethu, they never subscribe, and then I urge you to subscribe as well, because the beauty about this is an only podcast or to muibuka video khona iziphelo ngaloku interrupt ama advert, because we are not grossly dependent ukuthi sikhokhele YouTube, but I just want you to subscribe so that sizokwazi ukukhula faster than what we are. Yes, bakithi, this is Babu Udokotela Sibawujabulile mfana umthetho kahle umlungu. Sinabantu esizoba nabo ngoFebruary sizoqala ukuthi sibazele ama subscription, sibakhokhele ngokuthi ba crop aba poster ama video ethu. Soqala ngoFebruary ngoba i-channel iqale ukusebenza ngomhla ka-15 January, and then siyaqala nge-shooting ngomhla ka-5 February. Isobe si-eligible ukuthi lawo ke azobe sikhokha ama-rebate kulabantu abazobe belekelela ngokuspreada igama elihle likaBaba Udokotela. This is Baba Udokotela. Yeah, namhlanje I've got a topic, or I've got a theme, I've got isihloko that says money ritual ring, money ritual rings. There are rings engizokufundisa zona, chazele ngikhiphela lo mqondo obhedayo. Abantu abahamba ehlala ngabantu beshutha izinto ezomsangana kanti bayothenga edolo bethi amaringana umsangano yonke lo nto. Abanye bayiloda even ku YouTube, bayiloda ku Google, and abayazi nokuthi kwenziwa kanjani labantu bagcwele umdlalo nje. Yeah, bakithi now siya ku February. Epinyangeni I strongly encourage into esibiza ukuthi innovation epinyangeni, and then njoba kuyinyanga you got range of products that you are literally giving to people or selling to people, but identify one that you're going to brand and then mainstream it and advertise it on radio, paper and social media. Radio, newspaper and social media, advertise that brand so that ungadepend ukuthi kuza abantu esigodlweni, kuza abantu bezohlola, and kube khona i-product mainstream. Yeah, this is Baba Udokotela. 2025, I had a product called Untobeka Ibhinca. Ibhodlela leshimani. Nansi ke packaging yakhona. Nansi packaging yakhona. Yayibona? Yeah, I'll tell you iqaqeke. Yayibona le packaging ikhombo le enginika abantu. Upowder lo uma ushela intokazi engafuni ukuqoma uyayikhotha lento. Uma uya ku interview